Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less VRAM. First, always close unnecessary background applications like web browsers or communication apps before launching graphics-intensive tasks. Next, consider lowering your screen resolution from, say, 4K to 2K. This dramatically reduces VRAM demand. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are the very latest version, as updates often include performance optimizations for memory usage. Many applications and games offer specific graphics settings that significantly impact VRAM. Begin by reducing texture quality. Moving from ultra to high or medium can save hundreds of megabytes. Next, scale back or disable anti-aliasing techniques like MSAA or TAA, as these consume significant memory. Finally, lowering shadow quality and reducing view distance will also free up valuable video memory for smoother performance. Beyond application settings, your system and graphics drivers play a crucial role. Keep your operating system updated, as these often include memory management improvements. Access your graphics control panel, whether it is NVIDIA or AMD, and look for global settings to optimize for performance over visual fidelity. Sometimes, performing a clean installation of your graphics drivers can resolve lingering memory allocation problems. For advanced management, actively monitor your VRAM usage using tools like MSI Afterburner or your Task Manager. If you use multiple monitors, consider temporarily disabling any secondary displays during intensive workloads, as each one reserves a portion of VRAM. Ultimately, if you consistently face memory limitations, upgrading to a graphics card with more dedicated VRAM, perhaps 16 gigabytes or more, offers the most significant long-term solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.